Good morning.
Good morning.
I invite you now to turn within. It is the time in our service when we leave the world outside the chapel and focus on God's love, abundantly given in so many forms, through so many people. The gifts of the Spirit are unending. This is 1 week of the year that we take to focus on Thanksgiving, but every day abundantly lived, generously, in spirit, is a day of thanksgiving. Our hearts are full with a sense of community, with the joy that comes with seeing our friends and families, with sharing this spiritual path that we're all on, supporting each other, growing, expanding, loving. And as we do, we rise in consciousness to a sense of profound well-being of the Spirit. The Spirit. We are all one. We are all joined. We are all blessed. And for this understanding, we do give thanks. Father, Mother, loving God. Amen.